Okay, first thing we're gonna do, I found this at Sprouts. It's a new plant-based creamer. I know it's his creamer, but I'm gonna use it for my macaroni because I like that consistency. It almost gives me condensed milk type vibes. Now we're gonna boil our water, and I'm gonna use panini. Regate. Boiling our water for our pasta. I mean, I like Daiya. You like Daiya? I like Daiya. See, I know how to cook, so I know how to make Daiya taste good. What I'm gonna use is medium cheddar style block. Shreds, because I like that white and orange look on the top. So yeah, block, bag. Got 2 extra firm tofus from Sprouts because we're going to be using these for our barbecue tofu ribs. And a bag of collard greens because I'm gonna make some good collard greens. I'm gonna chop this block cheese and put it in here to make a cheesy cream. Mix and stir the cheese into it. And you can lightly season it with your seasonings of choice: black pepper, seasoned salt, Cajun, garlic powder. So what I do is I get my extra firm tofu, I put it on a cutting board, and I put paper towels around it and press the water out, let it sit for a moment, and then I cut it in rectangles like that. So I'm letting it sit inside this paper towel, just absorbing some of the liquid in the tofu, just like that. Press lightly. This is extra firm tofu, so it can really withstand some pressure. Let that sit for a moment. Our water is catching a boil, so let's get ready to put these noodles in. These are starting to melt. Perfect. I like adding in a dollop of sour cream because it just gives it more of like a homemade macaroni taste. So adding that dollop and let it simmer down. I have it still on like 6 hours, and I'm just letting it melt all the ingredients together. Cheese sauce is doing good, still simmering down, getting very thick and cheesy. Sauce has looked like it's thickened up. I've let it sit for a while, about 10-15 minutes. Now we're going to season. Noodles have been draining out. I'm going to put them in the pan and then season them. Now they're in the pan. Like Creole. A little bit of pepper. A little bit of salt for the noodles. It's not coming up. Okay, there we go. You just pour some mixture over your noodles. Okay, baby, this is how you know the macaroni gonna be smacking. When it look and tastes good, without it being its final form of macaroni. Because I really low-key want to eat this by itself. That's when you know the mac is going to be popping. Juicy. We're not doing no dry macaroni around here. Especially with banana. Now that your macaroni is at this level, you're going to want to put butter on the top in every single corner, because for Daiya, you want to keep it moisturized while it is cooking. That way it can melt really, really pretty. And I'll show y'all. Season the top of the cheese with whatever seasonings you want. Wrap with aluminum foil. Put it in the oven for about 30 minutes on 400. Take it off. Let it broil at the top for 5 minutes. So here to cook our collard greens, now you want to get some bell peppers and onions. Let those simmer at the bottom. You're going to put vegetable oil, water, collard. Now we're getting ready for our tofu. Add about a couple of inches of oil to your pan so you can pan fry your tofu. This is the way the tofu is cut. Remove the section and cut in rectangles just like this. Not too thick, not too thin. Perfect. Put the vegetable broth inside of the bell peppers. Now we're going to put some water. Our collards have been washed. Vegetable broth has been put in there. Onions and peppers. We're going to season it. We're going to use Creole, garlic, pepper, smoked paprika, and some not chicken cubes. We got some barbecue sauce and onions in the pan. That's simple, barbecue sauce and onions. Those are gonna be covered up in barbecue sauce and onions too. Me personally, I like the flavor that Beyond Sausage gives stuff, so I put Beyond Sausage in my collards, cabbage, and black eyed peas. So I'm gonna put a couple of pieces like chopped up of this sausage in there for like a meat flavor. Being in the water like this, they're gonna stiffen up and just release like a lot of the oils and seasonings that's inside of the Beyond sausages. So I'm just gonna put those in the water. Let this cook and cover it for about 40 more minutes. Now we're gonna take our tofu squares and put them in our barbecue sauce. And stir that around.
Multi-millionaires from New York
Y'all know it's gonna be good.
Jody has never done a day's work in her life and has 4 nannies to look after her 3 kids.
Good mac and cheese. Baby, I need you.